Hi guys, yes, it's Sensei D here. Check it out, we have our new boxing sticks. Yes, no, these aren't Filipino or Eskrima sticks, no, although it is tempting to train in it. No, these are cool sticks that you can use. So, these are only £30 to grab hold of, guys, okay, your training sticks. You can do absolutely everything with these sticks, okay? You can do fitness, self-defense, boxing, you name it, you can train with these. The great thing about them is A, not only do they look absolutely cool, check it out, how cool does this design look? Solo virtual training for your home training, because obviously you continue training at home, not just at the studio. From there, they're very, very light, nicely designed, easy to wipe down and keep clean as well, easy to store away and easy to use. You do not have to be an expert pad holder to use them. But the great thing about this is when you get these, we've also given you as well a free course on how to use the sticks. So how to use it for your ducking and weaving, your attacking, how to use it for kicks, fitness, and more. So grab these when you can. They're very, very limited, and we are actually going to be using these in the studio as well very, very soon. So grab your pair, simply comment below this message, and we'll get you with a pair sorted ASAP. Continue your training at home and become the best version of yourself. How awesome it is, guys!